Alright girls, so today we are testing out the microphone. I talked about this in a different video that I had purchased a new microphone from Amazon. This is it, girl. I don't know how well this is gonna sound, so bear with me if this video sounds weird, and then I know not to use this anymore. But I did want to try out something new. Let me go ahead and clip it on my shirt. Alright, so it is clipped on. So this basically comes with two parts. It comes with a little microphone and a little thing that you like connect to your phone, and basically you just charge it and they should sync up together. So right now both look like they're on, so let's just get into it, girl. But just a disclaimer before we get into the video. Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. You guys know I do a lot of these types of videos here on my channel. I have a whole playlist which is going to be linked down below. I do full faces, haul videos, ranking videos. Girl, I've been doing a lot of Dollar Tree videos recently, so if you are into that, definitely you're going to want to stick around, subscribe, turn on your bell notification so you're notified whenever I upload. And let's just get into it. If you want to see what I picked up this time around, just keep on watching. I don't even know where to begin. Let's just get into hair care first. The first product we have here is from Be Pure, and this is their scalp serum. It helps moisturize and refresh the scalp. So I was really happy to see this product at Dollar Tree, girl. You guys know my struggle because I dye my hair often. My scalp does dry up. It hasn't been too bad recently, but I really love trying out different types of scalp serums and all that stuff to moisturize my scalp. So I really do want to try this out and see my thoughts. So basically, let me see. You separate your hair into sections. So you apply the serum directly to the scalp and then massage it in. So it seems pretty easy and straightforward. So we're gonna see my thoughts on this, but if you happen to have used this already and you love it or you hate it, please let me know in the comments because I'm kind of like excited about this, girl. So there's the first product. Next hair product is this headband. So this is the Family Beauty Fashion Bubble Headband. I completely forgot this is actually not even Dollar Tree, girl. Is it? I know Dollar Tree does carry these, but I did recently do a Family Dollar run, so I may have mixed in a couple of my Family Dollar things in here. But they do sell these types of headbands at Dollar Tree as well. I also did pick up some of my Kiss Mega Hold nail glues at Family Dollar. These are so good. This is what I use to throw on my press-ons. But yeah, I think this may be from Family Dollar if I'm remembering correctly. And Dollar Tree does carry these types of headbands. This specific one I really like because it's black. It goes with my hair color. I don't have a lot of like black headbands like this, but also I love that it has like little specks of like bedazzles on there, a little dazzles, you know, to make it sparkly. So yeah, this one's really cute. Can't wait to do a little get ready with me using it. It's nice. All right, should we get into the more like body products? I do have one body product in here. This is a little sugar scrub. This is the Spa Luxury Brazilian Soul Exfoliating Sugar Scrub, and this is really cute, really tiny. I like trying out different body care products from Dollar Tree, as you guys know. So it intrigued me because it said it is pistachio and caramel scent. It's definitely giving bum bum cream vibes. I actually do have the dupe for the bum bum cream at Dollar Tree as well, which I do have in my collection. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, we need to try her. And also I really love a sugar scrub, body scrub, all of that stuff. I like using different ones from the Dollar Tree, so I'll let you guys know my thoughts on this product soon. And yeah, I haven't really smelled it, to be honest. Let's go ahead and give it a sniff now that we're here. I really like the size. It's like really cute as well. Just went ahead and slashed it a little bit. Girl, yes, that smells amazing. It's definitely giving bum bum cream vibes. So yeah, that's so cute. And this is not very much like body care, but this is more of a randomy product that I got once we were like checking out. This is the Wizard on the Go Odor Eliminator, and this one here is in Tropical Fusion, and it's just like a cute little spray that I came across. Again, it wasn't a line, and they also did have a vanilla one. Girl, it's like leaking. No. Okay, it smells so good too. How sad. Why is it leaking? Okay, I'm gonna have to investigate, but it's like literally leaking out of here. I don't know about that, girl, but literally it smells so good. I'm gonna have to repurchase that. Now that we're like talking about scents, I did also pick up this fragrance from Dollar Tree. I came across the Mercerie Petal Sucré little scent here. They had all the different colors and everything. So this one here says a sweetly addictive blend of vanilla, soft musk, excluding bold confidence and playful charm for someone who leaves a trail of sweetness wherever they go. This is so cute. They also did have like a light pink version as well, so I wanted to try this one here and see my thoughts. Thankfully this is not leaking. But there's a look at that. It's a really nice bottle. It's like nice and like frosted, and I don't have any perfume on, so almost smells like baby powder. It smells nice. It's not my most favorite scent in the world, but so cute. I mostly bought it for display, also because I've seen people post about this for months, girl, and I finally got my hands on it. Yeah, really cute. Love the frosted bottle. Everything about the Mercerie, girl, so cute. Next products, I do have these. I don't know if they're like technically like makeup, but we have these little sprays. Also something I've been seeing people I was gonna say spray talk about and post on Instagram. We have these Scentials micellar water products. So this one is their hydrating facial mist, and it has like this like teal kind of packaging, like almost green, and this says it has hyaluronic acid and cucumber. It's meant to cleanse and refresh. And then we have this purpley one. I think they had one more shade, but they didn't have it in my Dollar Tree. This is their grape water soothing facial mist with 100% grape water. Okay, I haven't sprayed them. Oh, that smells like grape, girl. Okay, let's smell this one. This one smells more fresh. These are so cute, and they're just perfect to like carry in your purse. The colors are so cute. I wish they had a pink one. Let me know, do you know what the next color was? Honestly, I don't know. These are the only two I've come across. Yeah, I wish they had a pink one. That would be so cute. But yeah, to throw in your purse, girl, these are perfect. I also did come across these little travel bottles. So that's basically what they're called, travel bottles. So they came in this beautiful kind of like two-tone purple shades, and they just look beautiful. So I went ahead and picked them up. Since me and my sister did start going to the gym, I do want to start like showering there sometimes, so I went ahead and picked these up so I can throw like shampoo and conditioner in here. So I want to see how that works, but this is so cute. And then the towel that I bought from Amazon is like pretty on the like purple side, so I thought it would work perfectly for that. I love the shades of purple that they have. This is the other shade. I'm telling you, I'm living for this two-tone like purple combo. I also did pick up this little coin purse. I've been seeing it a lot at Dollar Tree, so I just went ahead and picked it up. This is their silicone bag, and this is perfect for little catch-alls in my purse, or for change, or like money, because my little like sparkly wallet doesn't really hold like actual money in there, so that'd be perfect actually. Yeah, it's like a cute little baggie, and it does come in a couple of other shades as well, and also does come with a little thing if you want to hang it on your purse. For a randomy product, we have the Sharpie marker, and this one is like a pinky kind of vibe, almost like magenta. It's just really cute. And I also did buy this little like notepad here as well. This is the Array White Notepad Unruled. It comes with 100 pages, and it's basically just a blank notebook, like blank white paper notebook, and I like to like write my ideas sometimes down, or when I'm planning out a YouTube video or whatever. Yeah, this is definitely something I needed. And also I thought I can use a little Sharpie. I already own this color. I think it's somewhere. But you guys know I love my Sharpie, so I just went ahead and bought in this beautiful magenta tone. Let's get into nails. I was in need of some more nail files, so I went ahead and bought this little pack. It comes in a 3-pack from Diamond Cosmetics, and you can really like just go in and choose whichever you want. They always come out with different packs. Last time they had like a zodiac pack. This one here, what is it? It just says protect your energy, and it has like little yin and yang and like different things on there. So just went ahead and purchased this because again, I was just in need of some nail files. I thought these were cute. That's them out of the packaging. It says Diamond Cosmetics. It's cute. Also did pick up a set of nails. I just bought the same nails twice. So these are the Helioe Nail Systems 24 faux nail set, and these are so cute. They're like pink, and they are like long, and they just look beautiful. Each pack does come with 24, but I'm like, I just never know. Like, I don't know, like sometimes you look for something, you find something, and you try to look for it again at Dollar Tree and you can't find it. So I did go ahead and just buy 2 just in case. But yeah, this style is beautiful. It's pink with a little bit of white in the center and some gems. Now we're getting into beauty. I did pick up this little set of poofs. You guys know I love my little puffs, so I was really excited when I saw this at the Dollar Tree. This is the Soft Touch Teardrop Makeup Sponge Pack. It comes with 8 in here. You get a set of 4 blue ones and then 4 pink ones. I thought they were really cute. On the back you get some information and stuff. Soft Touch Teardrop Makeup Puffs. Okay, and it tells you what they're designed for, blah blah blah. They're just really cute. So basically, yeah, soft velvet texture and a built-in finger strap. Okay, yeah, these are really cute. I just love having like a ton of these because I go through them quite a bit. I'm about to put them away in my little drawer, but this is a close-up look at the pink one, and then we have the blue one. They're nice. They don't feel the best quality, to be honest, like some other like puffs that I have, but they're like they're gonna do the job. Right, let's talk about eyelashes. I actually just bought 1 pair of eyelashes. I came across these from LA Colors. These are the Dramatic Lash eyelash. Now that I think about it, I think this may be from Family Dollar. Yeah, these are the Mega Volume Black Band eyelashes in the style Vixen. Yeah, I think this may be from Family Dollar, girl. Oops, yeah, these just looked beautiful, so I just went ahead and picked these up, and we'll see how they work. I am wearing some lashes from LA Colors that I use in my full face LA Colors, so from that same pack. I love, so I just went ahead and picked up this style as well, so I can't wait to try these out. As you guys know, Dollar Tree started carrying City Color. I love City Color. I've done a ton of looks using their products. I used to love their foundation. I need to repurchase it, but they actually did add some highlights. They only added this specific shade here, but this is a City Color Be Bold highlight in the shade Rose Gold. There's a look at that. It's so cute. Again, Rose Gold, the only shade they had, but we're gonna make it work, girl. That is stunning, and I've tried their highlights in the past. I really love them, so can't wait to try this product out. If not for a highlight, I can use it as a shadow or something. So cute. Also did come across some more of the Viva Color eyeshadow palettes, and I also came across this like pink one, so I just went ahead and picked it up, girl. Yeah, and from my last Dollar Tree haul, I did swatch the other palette, and it was so pigmented, so I was really excited to pick up some new styles. So we have the one in 02 Bronze Allure, and we also have this one here. This is a pinky one in 03 Cupid Petal. All right, there's Bronze Allure. I really like how this kind of opens to the side. There's a look at those colors. Can't wait to try out this eyeshadow formula, to be honest. They look stunning. There's the pink one in Cupid Petal. The other one I bought, I don't remember, honestly. I think it was more like gray tone. This looks so cute. I can't wait to play with this one specifically, girl. Yes. Okay, these are really nice. Let me know, have you tried their formula in the comments below. Right, and lastly, what everyone and their mom has been finding at the Dollar Tree is more Golden Girl lip glosses. I finally came across the one with their faces on them. I'm only missing one, but we have the Golden Girls lip glosses. This one here on the end is their shimmer lip gloss. But girl, these look so cool. So this one, again, lip gloss, a long-lasting pigment, effortless application, high shine formula. All right, so here is the first one. I think these actually do have the characters' names on them. This one here is Rose Glow. I think that's her name, girl. This is so cute, and I love this color. Okay, let's swatch it. Okay, so it's mostly clear, but it does have like a little bit of a pinky backing to it. Okay, that's so cute. I'm living for this packaging. Okay, and the next one we have here is Blanche Blush. It's giving more of an everything shade, very nude, but again, these are more like clear. They honestly look the same on the hand. Okay, there's Blanche one. What is this called? Blanche Blush. And lastly, the shimmer one, I hope has a little bit of a punch to it. This is called Shimmer Lip Gloss in Dorothy Dew. Okay, love me a purpley gloss. So let's see. I think the applicator is just not doing it for me, girl. It's just like a standard doe foot. If it was a little bigger, it would pick up more product. But there is the last one. Okay, nothing crazy. I think these are really cool in packaging. Formulation's kind of like meh, but look at this packaging, it's so cool. But that was the last product in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do have a massive Dollar Tree playlist, as I mentioned earlier. It's going to be linked down below if you want to watch some of my past Dollar Tree videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and if you can hype this video if you like it, of course, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.